So I got a fresh battery here. The cylinders have been soaking down for a couple days now, just to be safe with everything here. And I'm gonna chuck this battery in. Got that backwards. Well, let's see if she cranks. Nothing. So that kill switch might be tripped here. Try flipping this kill switch. Yeah, we got power. Nice, sounds really good. Cool. So I think we're ready to put the spark plugs back in this thing, and then we will be back momentarily after that. Top up some fresh fuel in it, and let's try. Right on. So I don't really have anything for gas here right now that's not contaminated, so let's give her a shot with what we have. And then I'm gonna go stop and pick up some fuel on the way home tonight, if this fire's over. Oh yeah, so we got fire. Doesn't she want to run? Right on. So just filling up the primaries here, or the carburetor actually itself, not primaries. And that is coming right out, so we should be good here. Definitely flooded it there before, but There comes some fuel now coming out there. So I put about 3 or 4 gallons in it. I'm really skeptical on these Thunderbird engine mounts. They're real small. Nice. Right on. So I'm definitely going to check this thing, get some water in it right away. Oh, it's trying to circulate, so there's a bit in there. That's a great sign there. The linkage on the side of this kickdown. This is quite the Ford specific kickdown and linkage that we've got here. But this going on here, one, it's rubbing on the carburetor. Two, this flap for the top of the carb, it's restricting it. So this car only ever had about 3/4 throttle. Never had even full throttle on this car, so we'll just let this real easy on her. Solid lifters, right? Breaking in the solid lifters again and just getting everything going. That's why it was so critical for what I want to do here is get these valve covers taken off and see what's going on. So just to be sure that we've got all proper oiling throughout the system, we could try it. There we go, look at that. So now, are we really getting the oil we're supposed to be getting? I'd say doesn't really look like it, not quite yet. So this is part of the break-in process really again, right? Just checking that all of our push rods here are actually rotating when they're going around. Once we get up to temperature, we'll definitely take a look here at our hot lash, readjust everything. Let's have a look over here. coolant's right there still. And there we go, the other side. So now you take a look at this side and you'll see right away that we're getting quite a bit more oil than what we were on the other side there. Nothing like a Chevy's oiling here where it would be just spraying everywhere, right? Like this is different technology. I don't know, definitely like it. Some people don't. And that's why we're not really, you know. Does it need an oil change? Darn rights it does. So that's going to be next on the list here. But just from looking at this side compared to the other side, there's a lot more oil circulation happening on. You can see it troughing on the bottom to its main drain on this side over here. Not to mention, you know, vacuum leak right here for sure on that cap. What possessed them to run both the ported vacuum and timed vacuum for the distributor, we're going to be changing that. And of course, like I was mentioning, the linkage down the side here, you know, really can't wait to get a spark plug out of this thing and measure what the stroke is on it. Just see what cam we've got in there, right? Right on. I guess I could open the door. See what it sounds like. Right on. So lots of fun. Gotta like it. She's alive. It's just a little bit of playing around with the points there. We're still going to check out the dwell. We're going to check everything out. Get the vacuum gauge on it. Stop the vacuum leaks. See how well this carburetor really performs. With the dirt, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if he says run the damn thing. So we'll probably be doing that. But like I said, master cylinder gets changed out here to duals. This alternator setup here, it's just shaking away, flapping away the alternator there. See how crooked that is? We're gonna fix that. try and get one more look here at these valves again, see if this has changed at all. Oh yeah, so we're definitely having a bit better circulation here. So at this point, best thing we can do is an oil change. Very cool. Right on. Well, thanks for checking this one out again, guys. Lots of fun. Still to be determined what motor we really have here, but as progress goes, you know, I just figure we should film it and try and include you on the revival here, right? So hope you had fun checking that out, and we're going to go through this thing with a fine-tooth comb still. So talk to you soon. Let's see. Wow, you just touch it and it lights up, so things are sounding good. Right on.